Hey guys, Rachel and Don, DRD Reptiles. We're finally here doing our unboxing of our new girl from Art Miller at Reptiles Express in Pennsylvania. I've been waiting all day to get this girl. She got here early, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get there because I had to go to work. So she's been sitting at the hub waiting for us to get her. Hey guys, hey Hannah's Bananas, hey JJ's Pythons. Thank you guys for joining us. All right, almost there. That's our thing. Here's little cards. The Ball Factory on Facebook. He was awesome to work with. Go ahead and check them out. He does not have Instagram, so just wanted to give him a little shout out. So this is our new girl who I've been waiting for. Oh, we do have a zip tie, so go ahead and do that for me. Get out, Pody. Come on. Thanks, babe. Go ahead and make sure this girl's good to go. Oh, wait.
It's tied.
It's tied too. She is in there very safely. Don't see her moving though. It always makes me so nervous. You alive, girlfriend? You're packed in there. Oh, there we got some movement. Thank goodness. Hey, big girl. Hi. So she is a beautiful Enchi female. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous girl. She came from PA. She didn't take too long. Luckily, she wasn't stuck in a box or on a truck for too long. Her colors are gorgeous. She's actually like army green in here with some beautiful blushing coming up. Beautiful, beautiful girl. So this is Hecate. She's our newest addition to DRD Reptiles. She's sitting at about 900 grams. We'll end up weighing her before I put her in, but she will hopefully be up to breeding size for us by this coming season, and she will be our third breeder female. So thank you for coming to the unboxing. The husband finally alive. Yay! Thank you guys. Have a great afternoon.